number 7, e-governance. We have 3 winners and 1 special mention in this category. Let's have the video for e-governance, please.
Since its inception as an e-literacy project, Akshaya has diversified, and now the 2000 Akshaya centers provide a multitude of services. These include e-filing of tax returns for commercial taxes by traders, e-payment of selected utility bills, online submission of application for ration card, rural e-banking and financial services, and micro-insurance, and others. E-governance programs have to take special steps to include people who are not e-literate, and the Akshaya project has done just that for the people of Kerala. Auto DCR is a software application that has the potential to revolutionize the way building plans are examined before they get approved. It reads the drawings submitted by architects in soft copies, geometrically maps each and every entity, and produces relevant reports embedded with drawings. Not only does Auto DCR reduce paperwork and save valuable time, it also helps standardize the process of drawing building plans. Auto DCR brings speed and accountability to the building plan approval process. The 590-kilometer long coastline of Kerala has an annual yield of about 6 lakh tons of marine fish. Keeping that in mind, the government of Kerala has developed a portal-cum web-based workflow to keep track of all vessels on the coast. The project is called Fishnet Real Craft, developed by National Informatics Centre NIC Kerala for the Department of Fisheries. Some of the services on offer are registration and licensing activities, renewal of licenses, issuing of duplicate registration certificate, change of ownership, impounding of fishing vessels, SMS service to public and marine enforcement. Sri Lanka Gov SMS portal delivers timely information to citizens such as railway timetable and train delay information, crop prices in popular marketplaces, and weather information. Implemented by the Information and Communication Technology Agency of Sri Lanka (ICTA) for the Government of Sri Lanka, it plans to increase its scope of information soon. Through Gov SMS, the government aims to reduce the average number of visits to a government office that a citizen has to make in order to receive a service.
Three winners and a special mention. A round of applause, please, for these 3 winners. To give away these awards, let me now invite N. Ravi Shankar, CEO of NIXI, to come on stage. NIXI is the National Internet Exchange of India, and those of you who use the .in domain name will have something to do with Ravi Shankar. A few words, please, for inspiration for our winners.
Thanks. Just say that I am inspired by all the presentations of the winners. I am sure that as Mr. Ashish Sanyal said, the others need to keep the race on.
Sri Lanka Gov SMS portal, ICTA Sri Lanka. Will someone come up from there? Excellent. A round of applause for yet another winner now from ICTA in Sri Lanka, the Gov SMS portal.
Good evening, everyone. In this occasion, I would like to thank all the tourists who are there and organization of this valuable event, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
Now the trophy and the certificate, please. A round of applause for Sri Lanka Gov SMS portal. Akshaya India. Where's Akshaya India? Yes, the whole team is coming from the back. Please come up, and let me also ask Auto DCR India also to get ready in the interest of time. We're all getting hungry now, so we want to speed up a little bit, shall we say. Okay, great. So a round of applause now for Akshaya from India.
Thank you, Manthan. When this project was started in 2002, in a small village in Malappuram district, we never thought that we will be able to have a complete illiterate district in Kerala. Now we have got out of 14, 8 districts are completely 100% illiterate, and the 7 others are 90 plus. Thank you very much.
Very great statistics. Trophy, please, and the certificate. Then you ask the team to come to the side. Yes. Yeah, please face the camera. All of you. There is Akshaya from Kerala in India. Let me also ask the other winner from India, Auto DCR, to please come up on stage now. Auto DCR India, winner number 3 in the category e-governance. A few words of acceptance.
Thank you, Manthan. Thank you, jury. It has been our privilege to get this award. This is for regulations through innovations. We have been trying to regulate the constructions in the country through this innovative CAT solution. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Trophy and certificate for Auto DCR India. Congratulations. And the special mention goes to Fishnet, Realcraft India. Will the team from Fishnet, yes, please come up to stage. Special mention in the category e-governance to the entry Fishnet by the company Realcraft in India.
Thank you very much. This project started in the state of Kerala with the help of Directorate of Fisheries. And after the successful implementation of this project, the Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture, the Directorate of Animal Husbandry, Dairy and Fisheries has now taken it up for rolling out in 9 coastal states and 4 coastal union territories, namely Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep and Marshall Islands, and Daman Diu and Puducherry. And thank you very much.
Now the special mention token and the certificate for Fishnet, Realcraft India. That was the category e-governance. We are now down to the 8th category. So we're almost halfway through now the award ceremony. And the next category is e-health. But first let me thank N. Ravi Shankar for his excellent service in supporting Manthan. And let's have the winners for e-health. We have again 2 winners and 1 special mention, e-health.
PathReports.in is a real-time pathology reporting system. At the end-user level, it provides them the facility to view reports over the internet or on their mobile phones. Users can also use their WAP or GPRS-enabled cell phones and view these reports. On the pathology level, it provides a complete software solution to manage and maintain pathology data. The pathologist also gets features such as a viewing dashboard which contains important statistics like daily earnings of pathology and number of reports generated. He can also search for customers and use the report creation interface. SADRM, or Software for Assessment of Disabled for Access, Rehabilitation and Empowerment, is a web-based software program that allows a scientific assessment of disabilities and is being implemented across the state of Andhra Pradesh. In this approach, doctors are instructed to enter only the parameters of the person into the system, following which the software automatically assesses the percentage of disability of that particular individual. Accordingly, a computer-generated disability certificate with a unique ID and card is issued to the concerned person. Conceived by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Tripura, the Tripura Vision Center project is a breakthrough in delivering eye care services to the previously unreached rural citizens of the state. A total of 40 vision centers have been deployed in 3 phases to render the services across Tripura. In the first phase, more than 4,800 patients were screened. In the second phase, patient medical records were digitized and an independent wireless network was set up with a bandwidth of 256 kbps. The third phase is still continuing and deployment is happening at another 29 locations.